Hey guys, so today we're gonna play some Flood Escape 2. I actually haven't played FE2 in a while, and then they just had added a new map right here, and it's Blue Moon by Disney 12. So it's called a Pro Up. Okay, there it is. There we go. Let's go. Hop in.
Yes, because she deserves it. She's just so cute and everything. Look at her. Look how funny.
Next, here we are. I'm gonna go into my pro servers. Right over here. It's right over here. Actually, it isn't like okay. Get through, please.
Well, she already had one when she was born.
Here we are in private. I think I had to go to solo. I'm pretty sure I had to be solo.
That's a little princess, and I think we'll be able to take her home to
Ooh, that's tiny. Why does it say tiny? One more. Wow, there's 11 out of 12 people that are in. It is actually crazy. I haven't played. Requested game is full.
Goodbye, my little princess. Goodbye. You're so cute. So guys, next day, and we are here inside our house. And
There we go. There it is. 12 people that are in. Okay, finally. All these people feels like I'm in map test. With all these people, I feel like I'm in. When I level up, I need 1,000 XP or a billion. I think it's 1,000 of that. This is 1,000. I think this is 1,000. I'm pretty sure it's 1 billion. That would take a while. So I'm gonna try to complete a lot of these maps. Okay, they're all. Oh no. So people. Next we're in. So now we're in cave system by Crazy Blocks. Okay. I like the level. Is that like the name is like come on. Because someone can't press the button. That doesn't the water doesn't rise that fast at all. That's actually really cool. That didn't rise that fast.